This video is part of a series where we build a navigable PDF file or document that is itself a combination of various files or documents. In previous tutorials, we've covered some earlier steps. We've combined a bunch of files into this PDF file using Adobe Acrobat. In Microsoft Word, we created a skeleton file that includes pages marking the beginning of each chapter or section and a table of contents with clickable links that take readers to each section starting page. Here, we bring it all together. To add my skeleton file to this PDF, I'll return to the Organize Pages screen. I can simply drag and drop the file in, but if I'm working on a smaller screen, I can also do this just within the Acrobat window. I'll click Insert, and then choose From File. And here's the file I need. I'll click Open. And in the following dialog or pop-up, I'm going to make sure that Acrobat places it before the first page by choosing that from the menu and the radio button. This puts my skeleton file at the beginning of this document. Depending on how big this file is, it could take some time. And now I see my table of contents, front matter, and section starting pages. I'll click and drag each section page to its appropriate place in the document. In the case of my third section, I actually had 2 pages for my opening commentary, so I'm going to select them both and then drag them to the appropriate location. My conclusion page goes at the very end of the document. If you have a very large PDF file, this process could take some time. So just patiently move each of your section heading pages to where it belongs in the document. Once I'm done, I'll close the Organize Pages screen to return to the main viewer. And now, I'll go to my Table of Contents page and try out the links. Once I've established that everything's working the way it should, of course, I'll save the file by clicking the Save icon in the upper left. One last tip, I'll add page numbers to the PDF file. These may not replace all page numbers that were on individual documents added to this overall file, especially in the case of scans. Nevertheless, they can be helpful for my readers to navigate this file. I do not want page numbers on the first and second page, the title page and the table of contents page, so I want the document to start with page 1 at this section 1 page, which is actually the third page in this document. On the right, I can choose Edit PDF, or I can go to the Tools page to click the Edit PDF icon. Either one takes me to the same place. Then I click Header and Footer and choose Add. Now I can add all sorts of things to either a header or a footer of this document on each page using these text boxes, left header text, center footer text, and so on. I'm going to come down to Page Range Options. Click that and change from All Pages to Pages From, and simply move this first page up to page 3. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll place my cursor in the right header text box and click Insert Page Numbers. Then I'll click OK. Once I see that the page numbers have been installed properly, I'll click Close on the Edit PDF screen. And now my document is ready to go.